Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from AnyWatch and I am back with another unboxing video, right? So this video will be just a quick video of me unboxing what is inside this box. Quite huge, so it could not get inside the frame. So let's get on my unboxing knife set that I have been using for the past how many years, I can't remember, but where is the knife? Hey, so let's do the first incision here and on this side. Right, so okay. Before we get into the watch itself, so let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my Seiko Monster 4th generation SRPG57K1. Let's give it a quick wipe there. Right, so let's see what's inside the box. Let's put the box away, and we have quite a huge box inside a box. Okay, so let's see how to take these tapes off. Right, I'm gonna pause, and yes, you can see that I've got myself another Seiko, but don't tell my wife, right? So what is it? Okay, so let's take it out from the box, and boom, we've got ourselves, wow, quite a different box this time around. We have a rice paper here. I think these are the what they call it, rice paper, and it's upside down. Let's do a quick drum roll. Okay, we've got this blue line here, right? Boom. Right, okay, so the manual instruction is inside this portion, but let's get into what is in this particular place. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, so this is the highly anticipated Seiko Save the Ocean SRPG35. I think this is from the Save the Ocean line, or Save the Ocean line Antarctica. So yeah, that is why I'm wearing my Seiko Monster SRPG35 today, because I wanted to just give it a quick comparison, right? So okay, so let's the first thing first. Then you've got a Seiko, please do check if you got yourself a line or misaligned bezel, right? So how is the bezel? Okay, that looks good, right? So let's check out the chaptering. Is it properly aligned, right? So from what I can see behind the camera, I think that looks good. And yeah, check out that dial, guys. Very beautiful dial that we've got here. Let's just give it a quick zoom here. Yeah, I just love how that little fit is. Oh my god, that is such a beautiful dial. Wow, I just love this thing. Right, so all this what do you call this, cutting or this not engraving, so this shape is nice, symmetrical, no problems whatsoever. And let's check out the crown. So because the recent Seiko that I've got, this Mini Turtle, have that little bit of grinding issue on the crown, so I have to use the what do you call it, tooth floss to get it off, right? So let's check out, let's move it out from the danger zone to change the dates and day. Okay, so that will be Tuesday. Okay, that's good enough. And we've got that 10 position. Boom. Right, so let's just test the changing of the date. Today is Wednesday 11th. Right, so screwing it back feels good, no problems whatsoever. Right, so it's box standard class, so nothing new there. This is the Save the Ocean SRPG57K1, right? So we've got that plastic over there, special edition diver's watch, 200 meters. Right, so with a little bit of YouTube magic, I'm gonna pause this video and we'll come back with this watch on the wrist. Alright guys, so all the plastics are off except for that blue stickers. I tend to leave those things on the watch. And check again, let's check out that dial. Very beautiful. Of course, the major attraction of this particular watch is this dial. Very nice Antarctic or ice looking eyes looking dull, and we have those happy fits, right? So to show that this watch is made for, especially for the Antarctica, to save the penguin. That it's, at least that's what I understand from Seiko's intention. But I just love how that there looks on this particular piece. Of course, we've got that candy bar magnifier here, but I don't really mind it. And of course, Seiko, they make great watches. And of course, this is the bracelet that is on this SRPD55K1, and I just swap it up, and let's see how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. Oh, anyway, this watch is on the Artem strap. It was strap from Australia, and let's see how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. Definitely an awesome watch for the money, although I have to pay a bit extra for this to get this special edition version. I think it is totally worth the money. Of course, a full review of this piece will be coming up in 2 or 3 weeks time. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, or if you guys simply like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more feature video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, before we go, let's do a quick loom. Right, so let's just turn off this light a bit and check out that loom, guys. That is a green colored loom. So sorry, the room here is not that dark, so I can't really show you the actual loom, but yeah, it is in green, in contrast to the to this blue loom on this version, right? So anyway, that's it for now. I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.